Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Lamb coming to you from my kitchen. How are you all? I really miss you and I would love it if I could see you, but maybe this is the next best thing. Today I want to show you an experiment I was going to do at school. I'm going to make elephant toothpaste. The ingredients are hydrogen peroxide and dish soap, and we have yeast and water, and we have some food coloring in the bottle. So I just have to look at the instructions for a second. So now I need to add my yeast and see what happens. It's going to cause a chemical reaction to make this toothpaste. Ooh, here it comes. Woo! Does it look like elephant toothpaste coming out of the bottle? That's awesome.
It does, Mrs. Lamb.
That's cool. That is so great.
Very cool.
Very neat. Well, I hope you're all doing good. Be good for your mums and dads, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye for now.